Hi guys, my name is Akra and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to talk about 10 reasons why I started YouTube and why you should too. Before I begin, I want you guys to all click the subscribe button below and click the bell so you'll get all the notifications that you will for my future videos. Before I started my channel, I wanted to know why I started my YouTube channel, so I went on different sites to look at what are the reasons why you should start YouTube, how you should start YouTube. I looked at a lot of channels like that, but however, I could not find that many reasons, and I just started one video, and that one video kind of helped me figure out and organize my thoughts into what I was thinking when I first started my YouTube video. And here are the 10 reasons why I started my video and you should too. Okay, the first and foremost reason is that I just want people to know who I am and that the person called Akra exists. I'm currently a computer science student at UCI, and because of this, I don't really know that many people, and people who do know me are just my friends and my family, and I just feel like that's not enough to influence anything. That's not enough to do anything in this world. All you can do is just go to a company and work. So my first goal was to be seen by people. I wanted to be recognized people. I wanted to have my own voice. That's why I first and most of all started this video. The second reason is, as I said, I don't want to just work for a company. I want to have some power in my voice. I go around, I tell people my opinions to my friends and to my relatives, but all they think is that, oh, that's an interesting opinion, but do they care? Not really. They care, but then it's not like they can do anything about it. I'm aiming for actual engagement. I'm actually trying to get into the field and talk to people. I want to get my opinions known. I want to get my thought process known. I want it to actually influence the country works. I want it to influence how actually the state works or my city works. And I want to influence a lot of other people. The third base is probably one of the most common reasons why people started YouTube, and it is to provide the base if I ever need money from YouTube. Okay, now a lot of times, like currently we're in pandemic, there's quarantine, a lot of people lost their job. In cases like this, I feel like YouTube is a really great platform that you can have in a backup to earn more money while you are unemployed. Or if you have a big enough YouTube channel, just retire and focus fully on YouTube and become a full-time YouTuber. If I get a job in the future in a computer science development, software development company, then I can continue there while still doing these videos. Also, if I happen to not like the job I'm in, I happen to not like computer science anymore, then I can continue doing these YouTube videos and become a full-time YouTuber. So I think it's a great way to split up your paths and actually choose which way you want to go. So you want to keep those options open for you. And the number 4 reason why I'm starting this YouTube channel is I want to store memoirs that I can actually look back in the future and be like, oh, that's what I was doing at that time. Oh, that is how I was. Oh, that's how I thought. Oh, that's how I looked at. That's a hairstyle I had. I just want to have those memories. Like, I know you guys are watching me too, but I watch my own videos too. These videos are a great memory for me. Also, I can reflect upon myself. And this is a great way to organize how you live in the past and how you should improve in the future. The next reason is pretty clear. I want to improve how I communicate. You can clearly see right now that my communication is not the best. I'm not currently looking at the camera that much. Clearly, there's still some static going on and my voice is not that clear. I have some accent going on. I want to kind of fix all of that. This is only my second video, so I kind of expected it. But in the future videos, I want to see myself grow. I want to see myself improve. My accent getting better, my pronunciation is getting better. I want to just improve as a person. And this kind of connects into my 6th reason why I started YouTube, is that I want to build some confidence. I want to build confidence that I can just be in front of a camera and I should be totally fine. And I think that's one thing I wasn't able to do my entire life. And through this YouTube channel, I want to grow some confidence, be able to go out there and get my camera out. And I want to be able to just start a vlog channel right there and then and publish on YouTube without having any little bit of lack of confidence. And that is one of my goals. Number 7 also connects into my previous goal. It is to motivate myself to actually improve. As I lived, I did a lot of activities. I did a lot of golf, I did tennis, I did swimming, I did a lot of activities. I also studied a lot of different fields. I studied business, I studied software engineering, I studied a little bit of art. But none of them I actually completed to my full potential just because I wasn't motivated enough. And I think the biggest reason was that no one was really watching or caring about my work. And this YouTube video is really great because actually people look at it comment down on it and they subscribe to it, I can actually see my channel grow. And this is a great way to improve myself because I have a consistent motivation going. There's even money related to it, and this is a great way. Number 8 is something unique, and it is that I want to see what is happening in my community. Reading the news is not usually enough, and YouTube videos these days is like one of the primary sources where you get your information, where I get my information. And by YouTubing, I actually have to go look at other people's channels, and I want to just go watch them and just know what is going on. And normally I wouldn't watch YouTube videos, but by doing this channel, I am actually motivated to go to other people's channel just to see what they're doing, how they're making their YouTube videos, and get the information out of them so I can use this in my videos, as well as just educate myself and make myself a better person. Okay, the 9th is that I want to help my community. I want to help my community grow. A lot of times when I make my own community, like a club, like a school club, or like school organization, or any other fan clubs like that, it's kind of hard to grow your organization just because you don't have enough voice and you have to spend money to advertise your club, organization, etc. However, if I have a YouTube channel, I feel like if I ever come into a situation where I need to do this, I can simply post a video, tell you guys all about it, and you guys can support me and I can help my community grow real fast, and this is a good way to do it. The last one is pretty obvious, and it is for my own satisfaction. Although I have like 7 subscribers right now and my previous videos only have 4 views right now, it's kind of fun to watch it grow even by one. I just sit there on my videos, click refresh. It's a little frustrating, but when I see it go up, it gives the best feeling of satisfaction. And I feel like that's one of the biggest reasons why YouTubers exist too. Because if they don't feel that satisfaction, what is the point in recording their videos? How is it different from like a regular desk job at a company if you're just sitting there recording videos and just like this? Just look at, hello guys, welcome to today's video again, and my name is Akra. No, this is not really that fun. The fun part is that I'm engaging with my audiences. I'm seeing the subscriber going up, I see the likes going up, I see the views going up, and you guys, I know that you guys are enjoying my videos when that happens. So there is the biggest source of entertainment while I'm making these YouTube videos, and that's probably one of the biggest reasons why I'm continuing this YouTube channel. Okay, those were the 10 reasons why I started a YouTube channel and why you should too. And I hope this video helped you figure out if you want to pursue a career in YouTuber or not. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and turn the notification on so you can be notified for my future videos. Thank you and see you next time. If you guys would like to know how to start your first YouTube video, please check out my first video. It's right here, and I will talk about what you need and how you can start your first video.